Hi guys, it's Bex here from Meandering Manships, and this afternoon we are going to give you a short tour of Brook Lodge Farm camping and caravan site, which is near to Redhill, just south of Bristol in Somerset. Really lovely small family owned site. You find your way here along the A38. We're about 10 miles south of Bristol, and the campsite's really easy to find. It's opposite the Holiday Inn Hotel. So on arrival, you press the tannoy system entrance key, and Debs will talk to you, make sure that you're in the right place, and if you are, she'll let you in. So the gates are lovely and secure. And then you drive down this little lane round towards reception. So just to save me walking back again later, I just wanted to show you this area here. And this is the main paddock, and this is booked out for baby showers, hen parties, birthday parties, small wedding parties, anything like that. So absolutely fantastic. It's got its own self-contained function room, showers, toilets, kitchen area, pot washing, all those sorts of things, and sort of nice grassed area ready for putting teepees and things like that on there. So really lovely. The site has a small river that flows around the side of it that separates it from the sheep on the other side. So you follow the road round, and then that's us. We're pitched up here. We asked for a really shaded pitch because Bonnie's been getting quite hot. So you just gently drive round, and this here is the main camping area. Get some noise from the road, but for us it's not really a deal breaker. It's good that it's so close to so many links. There's a bus stop directly outside that can take you into Bristol and link you with places like Glastonbury, Wells, Bath, and everything else that this area has to offer. So here's the children's play area. Dogs are not allowed in here for obvious reasons, but it's lovely. Something there for all ages. So we'll go back to on arrival. It's been a bit windy the last hour or so, so there's a few leaves. But it's quite nice. It's a very nature focused site. Lots of trees, shrubbery, plant life. Seen a few squirrels. Again, there's the camping field. Lovely and level. So here's where you get your clean water from, your drinking water, and it's also a fire point. Carry on along a little bit further. This is beautiful. It's a very gladed, pretty walkway. So here on the right are the bins, clearly marked for what needs to go into which one, which items. And then here, that's where your grey waste goes, and there's hoses to help you. And this is the Alson point. Don't mix them up. Footpath there takes you up to where the bus stop is, And if you cross the road and walk about a mile in that direction along the footpath, you'll come to a small village. I'll put all the details in at the end. So here we go through to reception. Another fire point. All the pitches have electric hookup. There's a few hard standing and the rest are grass. And then over here we have reception. Great place for hanging out. And then the main facilities block. Water bowls everywhere for your dogs. Dogs are not allowed in reception. How pretty is this? Clock, thermometer, lots of information leaflets, lots of maps. Times when the farm shop across the road are open. Suggestion box. Emergency contact numbers just there. List of takeaways in the area and if they deliver. And then here are some of the maps available. And the maps are really helpful because it shows you where eateries are, where pubs are, where petrol stations are. So they have a Green Tourism Gold Award. There's also a vending machine, crisps and goodies. Inside the shop they sell a bit of everything really, from fans to chocolate to juice to ice creams to biscuits, bottles of wine, kettles, something for everybody. Bike storage rack there, lots of tables and chairs if you just want to sit out and chat and socialise. And then in here, great place, so even if the heavens have opened, just somewhere nice, anybody can use this. So large fridge and freezer for anybody to use. Just put your name on, make sure you haven't got anything in here that's out of date because it'll get thrown away. Book exchange and games, another vending machine for soft drinks, microwave, kettle, toaster, more leaflets, and another fridge. So at the main facilities block, I'll just go around this way first. There's another small drinking water tap there. If you want to fill up a bucket or a bowl or a water container. Just here on the left is a very small but functional laundry room. Baskets, laundry dryers, washing machine, tumble dryer. Washing machine's £4 per wash, sorry, £3.60 per wash. And the dryer is £4 for an hour. And it operates on coins, either pounds or 20p pieces. Then just in here you've got this lovely pot wash area, or veg prep, whichever you prefer. And then also there's a food waste bin. Just walking back round. Here is the access and baby changing area. Absolutely beautiful, really well laid out. So there's your baby changing unit, loo, shower that is not push button, chair, Cloth for wiping the floor if you get it wet, hairdryer, mirror and wash basin. And they do have shower curtains here, just so that you don't spray into the whole room, and if you just want that extra layer of privacy, although there is a lock on the door. Hand sanitisation points all around the site. And now we'll just go to the other end of the building. And I'll take you into the ladies. There's nobody in here, that's okay. Right, so in here we have showers. Well ventilated, no push buttons, fresh new shower curtains, anti-slip mat, and you can see there's a good step there to just help you from spilling water everywhere. Just remember, if the step's going to be a problem for you though, you can always use the other shower. So there's 2 of these. Then lovely mirror, including sockets, hooks, wash basins, quite a few stools around as well, just to help people if they want to sit down while they're having a wash. And then the toilets, all nice adequate size. All the toilets open outwards to make them a bit more accessible. Lovely, fresh and clean. I think most people would agree some cubicles when you're travelling around, they're so small that if you try to close the door, you kind of have to climb over the loop just to be able to close the door. So having doors that open outwards is a huge advantage, really beneficial. I'm not going to go into the gents, but I did go around earlier on a quick look while nobody was around, and they're equally as clean. So there's the wash basins for pot washing and veg prep again. So that's your facilities block. There are solar panels on the roof. Just going to go down this way. Planters are all ready for planting out. It's been a very hot couple of weeks, so probably not the best time to be putting fresh new plants in. At the end of the video I will put on the what 3 words, the exact location, as well as contact details, pricing, and a few extra photographs that we take while we are here. So this is another paddock, a little bit smaller than the one I've just shown you, but equally lovely. So it's just waiting to be mown at the moment. There's a lovely big barn that gets dressed up with lights. Again, it's got a fridge freezer in there, tables, chairs, nice bladed seating area, overlooking the brook. Isn't that lovely? There's a small log-fired hut there, and again this is absolutely beautiful for romantic moments, small parties, anytime that you need a celebration or to just sit watch the water. So like I say, it's a Sunday afternoon, so the busyness of the weekend's calmed down now. Still quite a few people here. Any sheep in the background. I think there's about 18 pitches on the main field, and obviously the larger paddock area for parties. I'm just counting the pitches so I can tell. The site does prefer you to book in advance. However, if they're around and they have accommodation available, they're more than happy to fit you in. And now we're just on our way back to Bess. Gary's waving his hands at me, which I'm guessing means dinner's ready. And a nice chicken jalfrezi tonight. Cooked on our Leisure-Wise grill. And I'll check in with you later.